Welcome back, continuing the news. It should be quick and cheap, and it's everywhere. The sizzle is familiar and the speed is comforting when it comes to fast food meals, which has created convenience locally. But the bill doesn't always come at the counter. Now, TVJ News contacted major fast food franchise operators for a comment, but received no response up to news time. Nakinsky Robinson has this primetime news special report, Bite Now, Pay Later.
Fast food in Jamaica isn't just growing, it's accelerating. From new branches, new franchises, new drive-thrus, and crowds that just don't seem to slow down. But behind the boom, there's a growing question. Yeah? While we're expanding fast food, are we quietly expanding something else? Or national health bill?
It's built for speed, but when it comes to our health, the brakes may be failing.
Where the issue comes in is that most of these foods, they have a high caloric content and they're high in nutrients of concern, which are your unhealthy fats, your saturated fats and trans fats, added sugars and salt or sodium.
Since the 1970s, Jamaica has seen a surge in international quick service restaurants. It's a growing fast food congregation as new international entrants are steadily adding their names to the local roll. On the surface, the boom is beneficial.
So employment is one, the income is another one, access to quick food service, and then because that is international, you are seeing it on the investment side.
While government earnings through taxes and fees are not widely available, as these companies are privately owned, it is estimated to be in the billions. But at what cost?
When you look at the data in the Jamaica Health and Lifestyle Survey, which was done 2016 to 2017 and published in 2018, we found that 1 in 2 Jamaicans age 15 or older are overweight and or obese. 1 in 3 persons, or about 33% of the population, is living with hypertension. 1 in 8 is living with diabetes. And of greater concern is that 1 in 4 are even unaware that they are living with hypertension or diabetes.
The study also found that those NCD rates were highly attributed to unhealthy eating patterns. Now, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO, in that subsector of restaurants, U.S. fast food franchises comprise 50% of the local market.
The more urbanized we get, it's the more likely that persons are to actually go and purchase food overall instead of cooking food at home.
For many, fast food is no longer a Saturday treat. It's a lifestyle. Social media, convenience, and low-effort meals have shifted the nation's taste.
Yeah, there's a demand. And it helps, but especially for some of us who work and you know, when you have to stay at work late, going to cook is really like a no-no. So,
but the convenience of it makes it readily available for you to just indulge. You know, probably take an hour or two to cook something, right? Properly.
But the effects don't clock out. This versus this. One takes time, the other minutes. At the time of airing, we counted more than 250 fast food restaurants in the country.
In part 2, we follow the money deeper, the cost inside hospitals, and whether Jamaica is prepared to deal with the consequences of its fast food future. For TVJ News, I'm Nakinsky Robinson.